Hi, dear readers. I've just finished reading a novella, and the name of the novella is Jonathan Livingston Seagull by Richard Bach. But first, the story behind the story. Why did I pick this book up? Actually, in one of the corporate meets, the CSO of the company was advising everyone to read this book. So I was really curious what the corporate world is reading. And finally, I picked this book up. The author, Richard Bach, is an American author, and he was a pilot. When he started the story, he wrote only 10 pages and kept the story away. After many years, he picked up the story again and finally completed it. In the beginning, it was rejected by all the publishers, and only one, Macmillan, picked it up. The first edition sold only 3,000 copies, and guys, can you believe it? Within 2 years, it was number one on the New York Times bestseller. Initially, the booksellers were totally confused to put this book in which category, whether it's a nature book, self-help book, or positive thinking book, or animal fantasy, or children's book, but it comes under all the categories. And this book is about a seagull, and the author calls it Jonathan Seagull, who wants to learn to fly high. Finally, he learns to fly high on his own, and in the process he is doing something that is against the norms of his flock, and he became an outcast, but he still managed learning on his own, and he learned to fly all alone, and that to fly high. So what do we learn from the story? We learn that we all are living in our boxes, and we need to think and act out of the box if we need to make a mark for ourselves in this world. So guys, we need to find the higher purpose of our life. I have found my higher purpose of my life. Have you found your higher purpose? Go find it. Go get the book, and then you'll find your higher purpose.